Action!
Yeah.
Alright guys, today we're gonna try not to touch any Easter colors. And while showing you the new update and go in the mountains. Let's go.
We can't touch this.
Yep.
Also, do not touch me because you are red.
Where are you? Oh. Okay.
Just put it in the cage right now. All we have to do is just step on the gray.
No.
Okay.
I'm almost there.
What are you doing? New update.
Oh, yes. There's bees.
Just
That.
touch the white.
There's fishes over there.
Actually, the grass does not count because we gotta show you the new.
Come on! Oh my.
You can touch the grass.
Well, I'm just gonna go straight. So we got a fur suit.
We can do the video tomorrow, guys. I gotta get off.
Yep, that. Wait, what? You said something?